Zambia retakes the southern DRC maize meal import market, but what does this mean for price movements? This week's African Grain Market Overview is made possible by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. White maize prices traded as follows. Lusaka on $263 per metric ton, Dar es Salaam on $300, Iringa in central Tanzania on $230, Kampala on $360 and Kigali on $335 per metric ton. Before we get started, I know many of you watching aren't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet. Please take a second to check and subscribe. It really helps us grow and continue bringing these insights to you. Thank you for your support.
Welcome to this week's podcast, where we will discuss the Zambian maize meal export campaign to the southern DRC and the impact it could have on the Zambian maize SND. Before we discuss the current situation, let's briefly talk about the southern DRC maize meal import market the last 3 years. Zambia is normally the maize meal supplier to the southern DRC, as one would expect, given their close proximity to this market. Due to a very small Zambian maize crop harvested during the 2024-25 year, Zambia banned both maize and maize meal exports mid-2024. And this saw South Africa becoming the southern DRC's main maize meal supplier. By October 2025, Zambia opened their borders for maize meal exports, but due to high Zambian maize prices, South African origin maize meal remained competitively priced and dominated that market until February-March this year. However, since the Middle East conflict between the US, Israel, and Iran commenced late February, fuel prices spiked higher and had a significant influence on transport costs from South Africa to the southern DRC. This, combined with lower Zambian maize prices the last month or two, has seen Zambia take back the southern DRC maize meal market. At this point, Zambian maize meal landing in the southern DRC at a 10% discount to South African origin. With Zambian maize prices expected to decline further short term, the discount is expected to widen. So, the next question is how big the southern DRC maize meal import market is and if it could have a significant impact on the supply-heavy Zambia maize balance sheet. Our contacts estimate the normal maize meal import need from the south for the southern DRC in the region of 250,000 tons, i.e. about 400,000 tons of maize equivalent. Remember, there are also some maize meal imports into the eastern DRC from Tanzania that finds its way to the southern DRC. This graph indicates our Zambia maize historic SND estimates and our forecast for 2026-27. We will focus on the 2026-27 marketing year, running from May 2026 to April 2027. Beginning stocks at a record high 1.7 million tons. We are on the conservative side with our production forecast of 4.3 million tons. As most other forecasts are higher, consumption of 3 million tons, which includes 400,000 tons to be milled for the southern DRC. Exports at 500,000 tons and ending stocks at an all-time record high of 2.5 million tons. Our answer to the question if maize meal exports to the DRC will have a significant impact on the supply-heavy Zambia maize balance sheet next 12 months is no. Very high beginning stocks are likely to culminate in even higher ending stocks, in line with the annual consumption number. That said, as mentioned in several podcasts, the the past few months, the expected large carryout stocks for 2026-27 could come in very handy during 2027-28, given forecast of an El Nino weather pattern next summer. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thank you, Jacques. Very insightful. If you're looking for deeper insights into the African soft commodity markets, contact Jacques today to access Commodity Insight Africa's full weekly reports. Thanks again to Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems for making this episode possible. Thanks for joining us this week. Until next week.